In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your age in your Roblox account settings. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Roblox account details page. This is the area where you can manage your personal account settings and access verification features. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account before continuing so you don't accidentally update the wrong profile. Once you're on the account settings dashboard, look for the option labeled Verify My Age. This is the tool Roblox provides for age confirmation. Click that option to begin the process. Depending on your account status, region, or platform, the system may present you with slightly different verification screens. That's normal, so just follow the prompts shown on your screen. If Roblox gives you a choice between different verification methods, select the available modern verification option that appears in the system. The exact wording may vary, but the goal is simply to continue with the supported identity or age check process provided for your account. At this stage, you'll typically be asked to complete one of the approved validation methods. One option may involve using a valid payment card for authentication. If you choose this route, make sure the card information is entered carefully and only through the official Roblox verification page. Always double check that you are on the correct website before submitting any payment-related details. Another possible option is a facial scan using your device's camera. If that method appears, allow camera access when prompted and position yourself in a well-lit area. Keep your face clearly visible and follow the on-screen instructions closely. Good lighting and a steady camera can make the process smoother and help avoid verification errors. As you complete the verification, take your time and read each instruction carefully. If something doesn't work right away, don't rush. Small issues like poor lighting, incorrect card details, or browser permission settings can sometimes interrupt the process. Refreshing the page or trying again carefully may help, as long as you remain on the official Roblox site. After the process is submitted, Roblox may take a short time to confirm the result. Once approved, your account's age verification status should update automatically within your settings. That's all you need to do to verify your age on Roblox. Follow the prompts carefully, use the method that works best for you, and make sure all information is entered securely and accurately.